Hi, welcome to my new DIY video. This time I will show you how to do a simple macrame bracelet. The knotting technique that we will use is very simple. It's very easy, but the end result is very nice spiral around the cord threads. For this project we will need S-lon thread, glue, beads, scissors, tape, and jewellery findings, and of course pliers. Got 4 pieces of thread, 2 long and 2 shorter, but at least 1 meter long. Tie a knot at one end and tape it to your work desk. Keep 2 shorter strings in the middle and position longer strings on each side. Take the right long string and move it to the left over 2 middle strings. Take the left long string, cross the right string, go under the 2 middle strings and come up through the loop made of middle strings and right string. You can now see the symmetric knot. Pull the knot tight and repeat the steps for the rest of the length of your bracelet. You can tape the middle strings on your desk to keep the tension while pulling the knots. If you want to go fancy, you can add a couple of beads on the way. If you're happy with the length of the bracelet, trim the ends of the strings, leaving space for fold over cord end. Add a little bit of glue and secure the cord end. Then add jump rings and clasp. Repeat the steps on the other side. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.